Welcome to a tutorial on Beepbox. Today we will learn some of the basic controls of Beepbox, such as adding instruments, creating new patterns, and saving our project. To start, we need to make sure we have the following setting checked off in our Preferences drop-down menu. This menu can be found on the right side of the screen where the controls are. When you click Preference, you will need to make sure that Show Piano Keys is checked. This will show piano keys on the side of the piano roll section of the screen to the left. The next setting that should be checked is Show Notes from all channels or instruments, which are found below the piano roll screen on the bottom of Beepbox. The last option that you need to check is Show Octave Scroll Bar. This will show a scroll bar on the right side of the piano roll screen. Once you have all three boxes checked off, you are ready to start making music. Start by clicking on the piano roll to add notes for your current instrument. You can tell which note you are adding by looking at the piano keys on the right side. To switch to a new instrument, you can click the colored boxes on the bottom of the screen below the piano roll. They should all have the number 1 in them. This means that they are currently using pattern 1. You can change the pattern by hovering over the top right and bottom right side of each box and click the up and down arrows. You can change to different instruments by clicking different boxes with the colored one. The box with the gray one is the Drumset, which has its own unique drum roll screen. If you want to change your current instrument, click Type on the right side and click a new instrument from the drop-down list. The list is organized by instrument family, so you can customize your composition. To add more instruments, click the Edit drop-down menu on the right side of the screen. Then click the bottom option that says Channel Settings. Here you can add more pitched and non-pitched instruments to your music. You can also increase the number of pattern channels that you can use. When you exit the menu, you will see your new instruments added as channels below the piano roll screen. To save our work, we need to click the File drop-down menu on the right-hand side of the screen above the Edit menu. We have two options to save. We can export our work as an MP3 music file so that we can listen to it, or we can save the Beepbox website link so that we can edit and continue working on our music. To export, simply click Export and you will be given some option on exporting your file. If we want to edit our work later, we need to click Shorten Song URL, and then copy and save the link that it gives us. We can copy that link and paste it onto a blank Google document so that we can copy and paste it in our browser later. You can also recover lost work in the File menu by clicking Recover Recent Song. That is all for this basic tutorial video on the basic controls of Beepbox.